Hmm. So fucking excited. Hey bros, what's up? So, do you know Amit?
Hi everyone.
Hi. So, do you know Amit why I am telling bros?
No, bro. I don't know. Like, I don't have any idea.
Uh, this is our Bro Talks, episode 1. This is
Yeah,
our very first episode of Bro Talks because most of my audience are boys. So, that's why I am dedicating some videos, some talks to my bros, to bros community.
cool,
So,
cool,
that's
cool.
the reason our talk name is Bro Talks. So, how are you, man?
Awesome. Yeah,
How
I'm
are
doing
you?
good, dude. I'm doing good. What about you? What you are doing nowadays, dude?
I'm learning, doing so many things, internship, learning Python, you know already.
Yeah, I know
Doing so
you
many
are
things.
doing DSA, right?
Yeah, I started with
Yeah, I
data
have.
study.
Yeah, I know you are doing amazing, dude. Like, I saw your Instagram. It is hard to be consistent, no?
Yes, yes. Consistency is very hard, bro, in anything.
Yeah,
It's very hard even to speak in front of camera also.
yeah.
Like you can feel a
Mm.
sense of insecurity in your head. Like I'm speaking in the front of camera and everyone is watching me. So everything is
Yeah,
hard, man. But if you practice on anything, then things become very easy, very easy.
yeah,
Then you are
yeah,
not uh, facing any issue in your life.
yeah,
And
yeah, yeah,
I'm in the college summer vacations, learning DSA and planning
yeah,
to work on some projects, machine learning projects specifically, learning some front end and
yeah,
back end stuffs to build some cool
yeah.
projects that I can show to somebody else, even for my portfolio. So that's why I'm doing all this. It will take
Cool, cool,
1 year.
amazing.
Everything will take 1 year to be successful.
Yeah,
So, Amit,
actually.
let's start our main talk of this bro talk.
I think I should introduce myself first. Like,
Yes,
so hello guys, my name is Amit Meerchandani. Right
yes.
now I am in third year doing my bachelor's degree in computer application. And apart from that, I'm also learning graphic designing. I have done an internship which I don't like to take the company name, but it's a digital marketing company which works for the clients.
So you have some experience in graphic designing, we can say,
Yeah, a little bit you can say, dude.
like
Like
a few
I
months
don't know,
experience.
yeah, few months experience, but that is not sufficient, dude. Like
Yes,
as compared to today's era, that is not completely sufficient. You
yes,
have to, get your hands dirty with the things.
yes. So,
Yeah,
Amit, why you chosen graphic designing? Like, can you explain in brief to new viewers, to new freshmen, what is graphic designing?
yeah. Actually, to be honest, from my childhood, I just want something that in which I can put my creativity. Yeah, so that's the first thing. And graphic designing is like I have thought that I like to play with the colors. I like to make some beautiful models looks attractive. I like to post them on social media handles, you know. So that is the main motive. And the output duration is not that long. Like if you are making an app, then you should probably wait for 17 to 20 days as Dheeraj Bhaiya speak in our last meeting, if you remember, 70 days minimum.
Yes,
It took him to make a app, right? So
yes,
graphic designing, I have opt. It's just like easy. In one day, you can render anything, any single video, any single post for your social media. So that's the main thing I have opt graphic designing. Instant output. Instant output.
yes.
Yeah.
Great. So it's easy to start. There is not any
Yeah.
entry barrier. Anybody
Yeah.
can
Correct.
start in graphic designing, and if they practice every single day, then they will grow exponentially. Can you explain which tools a graphic designer should use?
Actually, if you are a beginner, then you should first use Canva. You know, Canva is very simple tool to, to make a simple post for Instagram. Looks attractive, dude. There are various templates available on Canva. You can use just in minutes. You can make a single post too. Like as you also using for your thumbnails, na?
Yes,
That is very
yes,
easy, dude. And after that, you can move to Photoshop. Yeah, there are many YouTubers. I will give the resources to Saurabh. He will put in the description.
yes, yes. I
And
will definitely put,
sure,
and you can check in the description. So there are tools like Photoshop, Lightroom,
yeah,
After Effects. Adobe is playing a very big game in graphic designing and video editing. Like, yes,
Adobe is the ancestor of any new tool coming in the market.
yes, yes. We can say, like, really, Adobe is like, when I used first time Adobe Premiere Pro, the features it is providing for video editing, I have used the Vinci Resolve, and I have used Adobe Premiere Pro.
Oh,
I can see the feel
hmm,
of video editing that I'm getting into the Adobe Premiere Pro. So Adobe is doing very great
hmm,
things for its community. They are charging,
hmm.
which is the main source of their business, but they are providing value for money. So
Yeah,
you are
exactly.
using Blender, Amit.
Yeah, Blender. Right now, I
Yes.
am working with Blender. I'm
Yes.
just improving my skills in 3D. So that's
Hmm.
why I opt for Blender. I am just keep on exploring the things which are available in the market. Like I have done it an internship a few months ago, and in that internship, I am just supposed to make good posts, videos, and GIFs for my clients to be posted on Instagram and on their social media platforms like LinkedIn and something. So that's what my job there. And right now I'm just learning Blender to
Yes.
keep on
And
exploring the 3D models. Like I am also posting the things on my Telegram handle. If you are watching,
yes,
you can
yes,
also give my Instagram handle in your description.
yes,
Like
yes. But make sure your profile is public, visible to all.
yeah, it's public. It's public now.
So you are learning Blender, which is very, very awesome. And I have seen some of your Instagram
Yeah,
posts, your stories. You are learning day one, day two,
yeah,
day three, day four, and you are right now in day
yeah.
six. Day
Actually, yeah.
six.
Yes.
Today is your day
Day
six.
six.
Na? Yeah, bro.
Yeah, yeah,
So yeah, cool. You are making some cool houses, clocks, 3D models. Like I
yeah.
can't explain them, but they are hitting my subconscious mind. Awesome, bro. So Amit, why you chosen graphic designing? Why? Can you answer why? People will ask why graphic designing.
To be honest, I'm doing BCA now. So
Yes,
in
yes.
that you need to learn many languages. You need to, learn web dev, learn C++, learn app dev, so many things. And that's the issue with me. Like I know I can understand the languages, but I'm not getting my future right there in app dev and web dev, right? So if you compare me with some hardcore programmers, I will probably found myself like poor. I'm not good in building logics instantly. So that's the main motive. That's the main reason I have left like coding from some weeks or some months, and I'm just learning graphic designing. It is easy. Like and I find myself interested in this.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
I can feel. In coding, there are entry barriers of logic building. You must be
yeah,
good at maths, logic building, and you must have an attitude of keep on debugging skills. But in graphic designing you
exactly,
don't have any entry barriers, so you can start easily, and you can grow yourself within few months. Like in span of six
exactly.
months you can either work on with some startups, or you can
Hmm.
start anything with it. You can freelance like anything. So entry barrier is not a case in graphic designing but in coding.
Hmm.
Am I right, Amit?
Yeah, absolutely right.
Yeah, sure. So if what is the best time to start with graphic designing? Like you are in the second year right now, I'm also in the second year.
Yeah.
So what is the best time for a school student, for a college student, or who already passed out from his college or just starting his college? So what is the best time to start graphic designing?
Bro, to be honest, I don't think so. Like, there is a perfect time of doing anything. Like, if you are interested in anything, then just go for it, right? Like, it doesn't matter. Age doesn't matter, dude. In anything, age doesn't matter. As you have seen, iNeuron, the hackathon,
Yes,
and the third winner, I guess, he's in ninth standard, right?
12th
Prize,
standard.
12th standard.
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
So, but he is the youngest one right there, no?
yes.
That's so high, dude. So it doesn't matter like your age.
Hmm.
You can start if you found yourself interested in anything. It is just the graphic designing, dude. It's very easy. Start with Canva. It's just like making things, making Maggie for
2
5 minutes, dude.
minutes.
2 minutes,
2 मिनट
yeah.
में खुशियां, like 2 minute में खुशियां.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Great. So you can start any from anywhere from at any age. Like
Yeah, yeah. YouTube is full of resources, dude. Just search right there.
so, Amit, so you already answered coding versus you have chosen graphic designing over coding. But
Yeah,
yeah, I totally agree with you. But there are lots of artificial intelligence, machine learning tools coming in, like OpenAI, Dell E, which are if you
yeah,
just need to give a command like uh, create a poster, create a thumbnail of Elon Musk fighting Hulk, and Dell E will quickly create millions of memes, emojis, or thumbnails, any design that you would like to. So, uh, is there fear of losing your job, fear of losing something in graphic designing after five
yeah.
years, 10 years?
No, bro. Actually, I don't think so. Yeah, it is true, but AI is. You just said that AI is covering the things, right? But I should say AI is eating the things, bro. AI is eating everything in the market, not just graphic designing. AI is eating app development, web development also. There are some models which can make the program, make the app automatically do.
Yes, yes.
You
There is
know,
a website
it's
called
coming in the
Replit.
market.
I
Yeah.
can give you an example. There is a website called Replit. You just need to write the problem statement. Like if you want to print
Hmm.
palindrome or factorial of a number, you just write the question and enter. A Replit AI will automatically write code for you. So
Yeah.
now coding can also be created by AI.
Yeah. That's true. So that's what I'm saying. Like, AI is eating everything, but in order to be creative, AI is not the thing which you can go with, right?
Hmm.
If you want your model be creative enough to be accepted by client, so that's not AI can do. Like, that cannot make your model creative because we have made that. Not we are made by AI. We have made that.
Yes. Yes. So you can say creative jobs like graphic designing will not be lose at
We'll
anywhere.
survive, bro. Yeah, we'll be surviving in the future, obviously.
Yes, yes. There are millions of thumbnails data are on YouTube. So it is easy
Hmm.
for a coder, for a organization to train a AI or machine learning model to learn all the different types of thumbnail in their neural network and create millions of. But AI will AI still cannot create a very finished type of graphic design that a human mind can create. It is very true,
Hmm.
bro.
Yeah, exactly.
AI can create thumbnails, but not a decent one.
Yeah, yeah, it is good, bro. It is good. Like, if you are in hurry, if you want
Yes,
anything just quickly, just
yes,
type and get the things, dude.
yes,
So that's where AI is good. But if you want the creativity, the innovativeness in your project, in your model, so you have to write it by manually, dude.
Hmm. So lose the fear of AI will take over on the graphic designing. You can still learn our generations. Like next 50 years can easily survive
Hmm.
in graphic designing without losing the fear of AI will take over their job. Can you tell how you got your first internship in graphical designing?
Yeah, actually, a friend, our mutual friend, she's Hema Priya. She, she just texted me on WhatsApp and like, hey Amit, here we have an internship available for graphic designers. Like, if you are interested, you can put your resume in the comment section. And I just did the same. So I just got that internship from LinkedIn, my HR, in which company I have worked. So I have talked to her on LinkedIn, like, hey ma'am, I'm interested in graphic designing job,
Yes.
and I want to do, like, I want to take my career in this field. So I just talked like that smoothly, and she just want an interview with me, and she just scheduled like that, and yeah, I have got the job.
Great,
She
great.
asked me like if you have knowledge in graphic designing tools like Photoshop, Premiere Pro, like if you can render videos for them. So I said yes, 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 yes.
Hmm. Yes.
They don't ask many questions. Like, obviously the
So
company is not that good.
hmm, they are still growing startup.
Yeah, it's a startup. They want a designer, simple.
Mhm. So it was your paid internship or unpaid internship?
For the first month, on unpaid basis, I have worked with them, and I have got so many good people right there. Like my boss used to talk like me, भाई आज ये कर दे, भाई आज वो करना है, भाई आज ये करना है. So he used to
Like
like
bade
talk
bhaiya
like that.
types.
Yeah, bade bhaiya types. Yeah, exactly. So Indian startup environment is so good, dude. Like, just don't be shy of talking right there. They will support you. But yeah, be aware of some frauds.
Hmm.
There are some frauds happening with the people.
Yes.
They will take some money from you
Yes.
in the initial levels.
Yes. So, if any freshman is watching this video, you do not need to pay money to get internship. You need money to do the work you are assigned for in the internship.
Exactly.
Yes. So, Amit, what are the freelancing opportunities in the graphic designing?
Yeah, actually, there are several websites if you can hover on the internet, which allow you to work as a freelancer right there. Like, first of all, achieve, you have to get any skill, whether it is content writer, whether it is graphic designer, whether it is a web developer. Just acquire any skill, any of the skill, and just log in, just sign up there on websites, freelancing websites, which Saurabh, you should give a link in the description.
Yes.
There are many, n number of websites, dude, n number of websites.
So, there are not any issue with the opportunities. You just need to master the
No,
skill
yeah.
and get ahead into the future.
Yeah,
So,
exactly. Yeah, it is hard to, get work right there in initial days, but it is the key. The key is only the consistency too. Be consistent right there. Uh, get the work done, even if they don't pay you in your initial days. Like if they pay you the small amount, it's okay. Just get your experience from them. Don't money.
So, Amit, I can elaborate more on this. You can get
Mm.
opportunities from anywhere. You can apply on the careers portals of all big MNCs, Fang, Big Four, even PUBG. I am damn sure you all know what is Player Unknown Battlegrounds, PUBG.
Yeah.
So, few months back, I am just going through the careers page of PUBG. PUBG is hiring data scientists, machine learning engineers, AI engineers, but they are also hiring
Mm.
UI UX designers, graphic designers to increase the graphic of their games. And there are lots of opportunities, internship, contract based jobs, full time jobs at uh, America, India also, remote internship, remote full-time jobs. in Google, in Amazon, Microsoft, everywhere, GitHub, everywhere there are opportunities to on their careers page to get the opportunity to get the job or internship or in the graphic designing. So you
Yeah,
cannot argue with there are not any opportunities in the graphic. There are n numbers.
exactly. Yeah, exactly.
So
Even some people ask, like, is there any scope in that field? Is there any scope in that field? So that's completely a bad thing, dude. If you are a skilled person, then you just don't need to, just
worry
be
about.
curious, or just be afraid of like scope thing. Scope
Yes,
is there, dude, in everything. Like,
yes.
just be the top level person, I
Mm.
should say.
So any person who is millionaire, billionaire, or earning in n number of money, they are they have some features in their own personality. They have mastered one skill and they are learning every single day. They are keep on improving and they are learning from everywhere, not from a single source. They are learning from everywhere, from persons, from books. So you said very right. If you know if you have some skills, if you mastered the skill, then you can get opportunities very easily. Very true. So even I can say an example. There is a priest in my nearby temple, a pujari ji, and you cannot count how much he is earning. Like their children are studying in America.
What?
They are they are earning
Damn.
insane, bro. If you or
Amazing.
if you invite that pandiji or that priest in your home, they will charge you lakhs for any havan, for
So
any
you
puja,
are
any worship.
so you are giving idea to your, the viewers to become pandit.
No, no, no. I am just giving an example. If you are a pandit, but if you are master in that particular area, then you can charge anything.
Yeah,
I'm just
I was
giving an
just kidding,
hint
dude.
or
I know.
example. Yes.
Yeah, I was just kidding. I was
No,
just
bro.
kidding.
So, so Amit, what advice you wanna give to youngsters? Any advice in the graphic designing or in anything? Which advice you want to give all youngsters out there? Any piece of
First,
advice?
yeah. So the time is like summers, and everyone have vacations going on. But I don't think so. Like, it's June, right?
Yes.
From next month, like, I think the schools and the colleges are going to open. But it's okay. Like, in the initial session, you have so much of time. You can do anything you wanted, right? So just hover on the YouTube, just search whatever you want to learn, and just be consistent. The consistency is the first thing you should be considered. And like, especially in graphic designing, uh, just post the things on your social media handles, whatever you are doing. Like, take challenges, as I'm taking, as I am doing. So that makes your consistency good. That make you do anything regularly, right? Yeah. So there are a number of things which I can suggest. Yeah. Like, if I am at the age of 15 or 16, I would be doing the things which I am doing right now, if I was aware of the things, you know,
So in past you will be doing this particular you will be learning this skill if you aware about.
if I aware about that.
But it's the future, bro. It's the you can say it's our misery or you can say it's the part of life. What is the saying? तुम्हें किस्मत से ज्यादा और जरूरत से पहले कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, like this. So
Yeah.
it is the universal truth. But if you know what is the current scenario, just keep focus, learn and keep on improving, learn in the public. Like there are lots of YouTuber seniors like Kunal Kushwaha saying learn in the
Yeah.
public, tag peoples. So if you are learning graphic designing, tag Amit and me on the social media, LinkedIn, anywhere.
Yeah.
And so it will help other people that like they're learning in the public. I'm learning in the public.
Yeah.
Whatever I'm learning, I'm doing, I'm just sharing it with the public. Right
Yeah.
now, I'm learning
That's
APIs.
a Yeah,
The
that's a cool thing which
yes,
people doing on Twitter as well. If you go on the Twitter, you will find more controversial topics, but if you find people which are actually building themselves on the Twitter, you will find the resources. Like if you go for web development, you will probably find the exact resources, the
mm,
notes for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
yes, yes, bro. It is true.
Just
Uh, Twitter is
make your account on Twitter, and just be consistent right there.
so. In short period of time, you can see yourself. You have grown very exponentially. In your initial, you are here in initial phase, and after some time, you will be here. So there is a huge
Yeah,
gap. And Amit, you
yeah,
are here right now. You are just taken a step away from here, and you will reaching here. I'm very
reaching.
glad,
I'm just
Amit.
reaching right there.
Yes, yes. So I think we have talked more about this, and it's time to
Yeah,
conclude our session. You also given advice for
yeah,
youngsters. Even I also given advice for youngsters. We are youngsters, bro. We are just 19. We are boys.
yeah, exactly.
We are future of India. We are the next Indians,
Yeah,
millionaires.
exactly, exactly.
We are documenting our journey, Amit.
Yeah, that's the thing, dude. You got my mind.
So this is the end of our first episode of Bro Talk. If you like the whole session, if you learn anything from the session, do make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is not my YouTube channel, it's our YouTube channel. Yes. So this is the end of our Bro Talk episode 1. We'll meet you in the next Bro Talk episode 2, and we will do this types of things every single week, or like whatever we whenever we get time. We'll invite more peoples who are in the different domains. We'll cover so many topics. So once more, thank you so much, Amit, bro. I wish you all the best. You learn, grow every single day, every single minute, and I just wish for
Bro,
your
I
best
want to say
possible
something.
future.
Yeah, I
Yes.
want to say something. First of all, thanks for inviting me, dude. Here, actually, this is the thing which I can go with and improve myself. I request you guys just don't forget to check the description.
Yes, yes. Check all the titles, links in the descriptions. अरे रुको रुको रुको
Pause the recording.
अरे रिकॉर्डिंग कहाँ से रुकती है भाई